guys, my name's Sophia and welcome back to my channel. Today what we are going to be making is a magic circle. Now, magic circle looks like this here. And I hear you, I do, I hear what you're saying. Why would I want to make this little thing here? What's so exciting and magical about that? Well, let me tell you. This is like a foundation, fundamental part of crocheting, because most things, most toys that you will probably want to make will start with a magic circle. So you've got to perfect it before you start making your projects, because if you make this wrong, your whole thing could fall apart and you could have like a hole at the bottom of your project, and nobody wants that. I highly advise starting with acrylic yarn for this. If you try and do it with this type of yarn, it's fluffy yarn, which is actually what I learned to do it with. It sheds quite a lot and the tension is really difficult and hard to get right in the beginning, so I would advise not using this just now, and once you've perfected it with acrylic yarn or with a different type of yarn, then you could try it with the stuff that you maybe want to make amigurumi with. Okay guys, so with your yarn, what you're going to do is you're going to take your two fingers here, so your middle finger and your index finger, and you are going to take this part of the yarn and in between your thumb you're going to wrap it around like that. Okay, so this is my long bit of the yarn, this is my short bit, okay, and my thumb's gonna kind of hold it in place. I'm gonna wrap it around with two fingers like that, and then I'm gonna wrap it around again so that I've got a cross. Okay, my cross should look like that on my fingers, and then we're gonna lift up our other fingers and just hold it in like that, so a cross. My other fingers are actually the ones doing the work, they're holding it in place, but these two fingers are the ones that are I've got the cross on it. Okay, so for your magic circle, you're going to take your crochet hook and you're going to go underneath both of them like that. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take this bit here that you see and we're going to yarn it and pull it through. Okay, and as we pull it through, twisting our hook like that. I'll show you that again. So once you're in this position, yarn over, yarn over. We're going underneath with our hook up like that, and we're going to pull this bit through, and again it's facing down just now, we're going to turn it upright, and then this bit again, so the same bit of the cross that we went to before, but instead of going back under, we're just going over like that, and we're going to try and pull that through like that. Let's do that again. So should be okay with this bit now that you see here, that's our cross. So remember, we're going under and we're taking this bit through. It's facing down, but we want it to face up. It's facing up, and again it's this bit here, this really important bit at the top left, yarning through, and this bit is difficult here to pull it through, but what I tend to do is turn my hook so that it faces in the way and we pull it through. Okay, so if you let that go, you should have a circle. All right, so we should have a tail, same tail that we had before, and our working yarn. If we pull this tail, you can see that it gets smaller. All right, and we can also make it bigger by pulling the circle out. Okay, but I tend to like a circle that looks about that size, and that's how to make a magic circle. Okay guys, hopefully you managed to get to this magic circle. Feel free to pause it, put it in slow-mo, rewind, whatever it is that you need to do to perfect this. And thank you for watching my video. Hopefully I'll see you again soon. Bye!